Bankwest Online Banking Login. Welcome to our tutorial on accessing Bankwest Online Banking. Bankwest offers a convenient and secure online banking platform, allowing you to manage your finances with ease from the comfort of your own home. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to log into your Bankwest Online Banking account. For this, simply open your default web browser on your computer. In the search bar, type Bankwest Online Banking Login and hit enter. Then tap on the official Bankwest Online Banking login link to access the official web page. On the login page, you'll see fields to enter your personal access number (PAN) and password. If you want the browser to remember your password for future logins, you can also check right on Remember Password option. If you have forgotten your password or PAN, you'll find options to reset them on the page. Once you have entered your PAN and password, click on the login button to proceed. If you are a new user, you will need to register online by clicking on the Register Online button. During the registration process, you'll be asked to input your personal information, agree to the terms, and use other credentials and acknowledge receipt of terms. And this was everything about logging in to your Bankwest Online Banking account.
If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.